Girl, hi. How is the weather today?
It is warm and sunny today.
Yes, the sun feels very strong.
I like sunny days a lot.
Do you prefer cold weather?
Yes, I like cool weather.
Same. Cool air feels nice.
Yes, it feels fresh and clean.
Did it rain yesterday evening?
Yes, it rained for 1 hour.
Oh, I love rain at night.
Yes, rain sounds very relaxing.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Yes, I keep a small one.
Good. Weather changes very fast.
Yes, we should stay prepared.
What are your plans today?
I will go for a walk.
Nice. Evening walks feel good.
Yes, they calm my mind.
I will read a book today.
That sounds peaceful and nice.
Yes, reading helps me relax.
I want to read more too.
Do you drink tea in evening?
Yes, I drink tea daily.
I drink tea only sometimes.
Tea tastes better in rain.
Okay, I should go now.
All right, talk to you later.
Sure, have a nice day.
You too. Bye now.
Bye.